Right now, yes, right now, these June codes are working, and you can claim up to 2200 free diamonds instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I'm picking 10 lucky winners from the comments. So quickly drop your Roblox username right now if you want a chance to win extra diamonds. Alright, don't skip this part. The latest June update. Eclipse Forest event. Just launched in 99 nights in the forest. And this might be the craziest update we've seen yet. New limited time events are live. Secret rewards have been added. And the best part? Brand new June diamond codes are finally here. But here's the problem. These codes are extremely limited. And some players are already reporting that they're expiring. So if you want your diamonds, you need to redeem them immediately. Let's do it step by step. Open 99 nights in the forest. Tap on the diamond icon. Scroll down and find the code option. That's where everything happens. Now enter the codes I'm about to give you. Paste, submit, and within seconds your diamonds will be added to your account. No delay, no risk. Now pay attention. These are June exclusive codes. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a hidden secret code that very few players know about. So make sure you watch till the end. Before we continue, do these 3 things right now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your Roblox username, because I'm choosing 10 winners and you could be one of them. Alright, now let's get into the codes. Type everything exactly. Uppercase, lowercase, every character matters. If the code works, you'll see a success message instantly. And yes, I'll be posting new June codes and update videos regularly. So turn on notifications so you never miss out. That's it for today. Go claim your rewards, enjoy the June update, Eclipse Forest event, and keep progressing in 99 nights in the forest. Like, subscribe, comment your username, and I'll see you in the next video.